Did you know China once ruled the seas, then chose to forget it ever happened? In the early 1400s, Admiral Zheng He commanded the largest fleet the world had ever seen, 300 ships, 28,000 sailors. He reached the coasts of East Africa decades before any European explorer came close. China didn't just have the greatest navy on Earth, it had already won the age of exploration before Europe even started. Then the emperor died. A new political faction took power, and they saw the voyages as wasteful and dangerous. So they didn't just stop the program, they burned the ships, they destroyed the logbooks, they made deep-sea sailing a crime punishable by death. Within a generation, the knowledge was gone. No records, no maps, no memory. The same ocean that China had already mastered was left wide open, and European powers spent the next 5 centuries filling that space. China wasn't defeated by a rival, it was defeated by a decision. Someone chose to make their own civilization forget.